Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys only and only about food. So ever since the lockdown began, my brother and me, we have been ordering a lot of food from outside. This is all my brother's fault because he knows how to trick his sister very well and make her order good amount of food. But in a way, I'm thankful to because even I've tried out quite a few things and I have written all of them down here. And before we get started with the video, there is a small disclaimer that I'd like to give you is that it is not that we're just ordering food from outside, being irresponsible and all of that. Okay, obviously, as soon as the food comes in, we did sanitize it and this and that. And apart from that, in the morning and in the night, we're even drinking warm water with honey, ginger, lemon, and all of those things, just in order to ensure that our health also doesn't take a toll. Until date, touch wood, nothing has happened to us, and these are the places which we've not ordered from just once or twice. We've ordered like over 4 to 5 times also. There are a couple of places where we've ordered from just once. I will mention everything, okay? And yeah, so let's directly get started with the video. So the first place I'm going to be talking to you guys about is Jugadi Atta. Now, to be very honest, I did not even know such a place existed until my brother introduced it to me. So this place specifically sells only vada paos, and not at like very fancy rate, but at a very good and a reasonable rate. So our general order from there is always two vada paos for my mom, one Godfather vada pav for me. Cheese vada pav is really good. Their barbecue vada pav is also nice. That uh, which was that peri peri vada pav is okay. It's not that great. Then what else have we ordered? We've ordered this pa- paneer tikka, something tikka vika, some vada pav we've ordered. Even that has been really good. Now, along with that, if you order over three vada pavs, three sada vada pavs, you get this entire green chutney ka packet with some garlic paste for free, which is so good.
Garlic paste, dry garlic chutney, or dry garlic powder.
Dry garlic powder, and it is so good. I love it, and every time our bill has been about 185 to 200 bucks, and the vada paos have always been so good, so tasty, so spicy, so saucy, and all of that. So Jugadi Adda is, you must definitely buy it. I mean, just thinking about it, I've already got water in my mouth. The second place I'm going to be talking to you guys is about Popular. Now, again, this place I did not know. This is my brother's night out situation. Like whenever he goes for night out, they always order from there. So we order only this one specific combo from there, which is of 210 rupees, which includes two sandwiches. One garlic bread and a cold beverage of your choice. Generally, they say that they're giving Pepsi, but what generally happens is if it's not available, then they send 7 Up, or they send Mountain Dew, or they send Fruity, so whatever is available. But they send, at least that is the good part of it. And with all of the sandwiches and this and that, there comes this one liquid chutney, which is so spicy, so tasty, so good, spicy to a level where my nose and eyes start watering, but it just amps up the taste so nicely. Again, a place that I will say you should definitely eat from at least once. Now, both of these places are places where we've ordered over 5 to 6 times ever since the beginning till now. Really good places. You must definitely try these two out. These are my top two. Now the next one being Sabaro. Now I have eaten from Sabaro only once, to be very honest, and I have not liked their food at all, to be honest. At that point of time, I don't remember what my full order was, but it did include a garlic bread. The garlic bread was completely bad. Okay. But this time we ordered Mexican pizza. We also ordered arrabbiata pasta and the calzone pockets that they had. The pizza was very good in taste. I will say I was very happy with it. The pasta was completely opposite of it. The pasta was tasteless. It was not even cooked properly and all of that. And my brother had hyped the pasta so much that I was the most excited to eat the pasta, but it turned out to be the worst one. So that is that. The calzone pockets were again really really good, tasty, spicy, masaledar, and all of that. So we ordered that. Um, Talking about the next place being Juno's Pizza, Sabaro we ordered I guess once or twice, not more than that during the lockdown. Now next one is Django's Pizza. This we've ordered only once. From here we've ordered a veggie pizza and a peri peri paneer pizza. So both of them were really really good. I loved it. They were so spicy, so cheesy, so tasty, and because we had Zomato Gold, so as a result, we got one pizza free and this and that, but super duper worth the money, and it was really good. And the best part is we had ordered it at a very odd time of night, 11:30, 11:45. So it had come and it was hot and we were eating it. It was very very good. So here also we've ordered from just once. Next is a new addition to the entire ice cream category, which is from Have More. So now this actually I had just gone down to buy Maggie for myself, and I just saw that okay, there's a new ice cream just come up from Have More, which my brother has already eaten and this and that, but I have never come across it to be honest. So it is this nice ice cream which retails for $70, and it has this chocolatey mountain on the top and a nice vanilla layer beneath it, which I feel was good. Now you know ice creams, like if you eat a lot of ice creams, like I tend to eat the most amount of ice cream in my periods and when I'm around my periods, so that's why I understand the taste very well. Some ice creams are very milky, some ice creams are just perfect, some are like little salty, and some have a very bland taste to it. But this one was decent. I will not say it had a bland taste, but it did not have a super chocolatey taste too. My brother, my mom, and me, all of us ate it. We liked it. I personally liked it a lot. It was very nice. $70. I feel it was really expensive. It should have been about 35 to 40, so it would have been thoda reasonable. But it is a good one. It's not a bad one. Next is again this actually even like my brother and me, when we went to the supermarket to shop some things, this aloo patty even we did not know existed, which is the ITC aloo patty, aloo tikki patty, whatever it is. So this is also very very budget friendly, which is you get 75 rupees mein you get 8 patties, which I feel is good. Now when we practically cooked the patties, okay, they're like frozen foods, and you just fry it and eat it. So when we were frying, like the frying process and all of that was easy. It wasn't a big task because sometimes some frozen foods don't really get fried and all of that. This during the frying process it was good, but when the tasting part came to it, the only thing is which my brother and me, both of us agreed to it, is that it did not taste that great. Like I remember on that same day we had made like 3 packets of Maggie, and we had mixed what was that? That Ching's, Ranveer Singh wala, wo Ching's soup in the Maggie, and we had those patties. So we just made 2, and because we were eating it with that, so the taste was getting balanced. But if you eat it all by itself, the taste is not that wow. It has garlic in it and all of that, but again the taste was not good. And if you really want some good taste to come, then I will suggest add some peri peri to it, some chili sauce or something like that. Then the taste really gets amped up, if there is some external source that can amp up the taste. Or else if you eat it all by itself, it's not that. This is also another late night matlab this is after 1 o'clock wala, which I'm talking about. This is from Fried Chicken Corner, Fried Chicken Cuisine, whatever you would like to tell it. So we had ordered cheese aloo poppers, and we had ordered a paneer salsa wrap from it. The paneer salsa wrap was so good. I have never eaten such a good wrap. I loved it. It was so nice. It was so nice that I just finished my one bite that I taken from the wrap, and my one bite is equal to my brother's entire thing. So he ate the entire paneer salsa wrap in just like under 30 seconds, and I just completed my one bite. So that's how quick eater my brother is. So yeah, the paneer wrap was very very good. The cheese aloo poppers, to be very honest, they are the perfect perfect complement if you're having whiskey with water, or if you're having whiskey with coke, or if you're having Old Monk rum. With vodka it is okay, but if you're someone who's like drinking and you want some nice chakna, this is gonna be so good. In no way I am trying to provoke you or tell you that, oh, please start drinking just because you need to eat this. There is no compulsion to that at all. That night when I had ordered it, I ate it with chili sauce. It was pretty nice in taste. I was happy, hot, and late night post 1 o'clock, our tummies were getting full, so we were very happy about that. Next, we ordered from Nacholicious. Nacholicious is something I had never eaten from them anything, but I had heard a lot that, oh wow, it is so good, it is so wow, and all the wows. And I was like, okay, let's just order it and see. And it was just 200. So yeah, whatever things I'm ordering over here, whatever names I've taken till date, till now, all of them are between 200 to 300. 300 से ऊपर कोई भी बिल नहीं गया था. Maximum is gone to 285. Nothing expensive than that. So yeah. So nacho dishes, we had ordered 2 nachos. Kaya ho?
Normal nachos.
There were some normal nachos. I'll find and I'll leave the name in the description. Don't worry about that. They were bakwas. Like I would rather, I would rather buy. My mom's in the background. Korobo, kaya packet खाई होता? अरे वो कयो पैकेट खाई हूँ पेरी पेरी नाचोस वाला जो हेवन के नाम है कई कंपनी जो वो Cornettos. Because I would rather buy Cornettos, okay, which is much more cheaper, much more tastier, and I would rather add some sauce to it and then eat it, okay? Because it's not just about the quantity, even the taste was not good at all. So I felt that the money was completely waste. Completely. Like I would not even say 10% it was worth it. So I will say if you want to order from Nacholicious and this and that, don't order. Rather order, not order, rather buy Cornettos and which is again very very cheaper than that, and add some sauce and eat it and have a good time and save some money too. The last place I'm going to be talking about is Chunky's. Now this is also a place where I have eaten from only once. I have not really loved it that much, but I was like, okay, it's okay. I guess from Chunky's I did eaten burgers only, but I don't remember which one. But this time when we ordered it at home, we had ordered one normal fries, Szechuan burger, crispy veg burger, masala burger. Yeah, so we had ordered that. It was again really good. I was very very happy. Burgers were very nice. They were small burgers. They were tasty too. So I did not have super duper complaint, but the taste was like okay. I would say, matlab, if I had to order from somewhere else, I would rather prefer some other place. It was like that. The next I'm going to be talking about is Joey's Pizza. Now from Joey's Pizza also I have ordered only once. We had ordered the veg spicy pizza. Super good in taste, super spicy, and with all of the oregano and chili flakes and little extra seasoning on top. It was so tasty. Super duper worth the money. I completely loved it. The last I took
मसाला वेज वॉफर एक चीज स्लाइस एक्स्ट्रा वगैरह पेरी पेरी के प्राइस ने पेप्सी के
okay, Shant. So the last place that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is the J. Now to be very honest, when the J had opened in the beginning, I had eaten so much from it that I was like, bas, ab mujhe nahi khana hai, I'm completely done. And now I guess after a very long time, after my brother and my boyfriend were dancing on my head, I finally agreed that okay, let's just order from the J this time. So we ordered masala fries, we ordered chili cheeseburgers, we ordered chicken popcorns, we had also ordered barbecue burgers. So the burgers were mini burgers, very good in taste, super duper saucy, tasty, spicy, very very good. I loved it. The chicken popcorns, we don't eat chicken, so I honestly have no clue. But according to what Saurabh ate, it was really nice. He really liked it. The masala fries were also really good. But if in case you're a person who eats non-vegetarian food, and if you plan on ordering the chicken popcorn, you do get a couple of fries too, and with some sauce over it. So you can consider ordering that. I feel whatever we had ordered, everything, I have told you very honestly about it. So yeah, if you made it till the end, thank you so much for making it till the end. It really means a lot to me. And in the description box down below, I will leave the name of the place. Every single thing we've ordered. So just in case you want to see or just try out something, so you can order for yourself. And everything, every single order of mine which you've heard of all the places has been below 300 only. Nothing exceeded 300 at all. Only on my birthday it did, when we ordered way too much food. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.